Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Garg. Today we will talk about financial exclusion in rural and tribal areas of India. India is racing towards digital transformation with fintech, UPI, and mobile banking booming. But in large parts of rural and tribal India, people still rely on cash, informal loans, and distant bank branches. This is the story of financial exclusion, one of the biggest, yet least visible barriers to inclusive growth in India. While urban bank penetration exceeds 90%, it drops significantly in rural India. In tribal districts, it's even lower, below 60%. The problem is deep than just having a bank account. The real issue is access to quality, affordable, and usable financial services. So, what causes financial exclusion in these areas? So, firstly, it's lack of infrastructure. Villages often lack physical bank branches or ATMs, forcing people to travel long distances for basic services. Second is low financial literacy. Awareness about formal finance is limited. Many rural and tribal residents are unaware of banking products, insurance, digital payments, or even how to open and use a bank account. Third, it is a documentation barriers. Many lack IDs, land titles, or KYC papers, which restricts their access to formal financial services. Cultural and language disconnect. Banking apps and officials don't speak the local tribal languages or understand local customs, leading to mistrust and confusion. Fifth, technological gaps. So, poor telecommunication infrastructure, electricity issues make it difficult to use mobile banking or UPI. Even though over 50 crore Jan Dhan accounts have been opened, many remain dormant. Only one in five Indian villages has a functional bank branch, and less than 25% of tribal households have access to formal credit. This leads people to rely on money lenders with exploitative interest rates. The consequences are severe. First, debt traps and poverty cycles. Second, low investments in farming or enterprises. Thirdly, its vulnerability to climate and health shocks. Lastly, there is a low insurance coverage. Just 8% of rural Indians have life insurance. To bridge the gap, India has taken bold steps like RuPay cards, Aadhaar linked accounts, UPI, and eKYC. Moreover, they have enabled Aadhaar with the direct benefit transfers. They have opened digital Saksharta Abhiyan for financial literacy. But these progress faces the real challenges like inactive accounts and low trust in formal banks. Secondly, it is a cash dominated economy. Third, there is a threat of cybersecurity and frauds. Fourth, there is a language and tech usability barriers in tribal belts. Lastly, poor last mile internet and power connectivity. So, some of the solutions could be first, we can train more women agents to serve remote self help groups. Uh, we can create a custom credit products for agriculture and forest based livelihoods. Public private partnerships for last mile internet in remote zones can be done. We can also localize fintech apps in tribal languages with voice interfaces. Lastly, improvement in rural banking infrastructure and mobile ATMs. True financial exclusion is not just about opening a bank account. It's about empowering people to use finance to save, borrow, insure, invest, and grow. Unless rural and tribal India are part of this journey, we risk leaving millions behind. Thank you.